Ultimately, it's the Supreme Court which has checks and balances.
Suo moto, they should take action.
They should take suo moto.
Mothers.
Yeah, I think they should. You know,
Kapil, I can describe in one word. This is a abject failure of election machinery.
No doubt.
And if it is an abject failure of election machinery, something drastic has to be done, in this country, because this is ultimately it's the Supreme Court which has checks and balances.
Suo moto, they should take action.
They should take suo moto. If the election is going to be deflected on the grounds of religion as it is being done on a daily basis, then the Supreme Court has a constitutional duty and obligation to intervene to stop this nonsense.
Mothers.
yeah, I think they should.
शायद आप लोगों को मालूम नहीं कि 2019 से लेकर अब तक मोदी जी को इलेक्शन कमीशन ने लगभग 27 नोटिस दिए हैं। 27। कोई कार्रवाई नहीं आज तक। तो बताइए, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहता है कि हमें इलेक्शन कमीशन पे विश्वास रखना चाहिए, तो कैसे कोई विश्वास रखे? किस आधार पे हम विश्वास करें इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया का? इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया क्या हैज इट बिकम द लॉन्ग आर्म ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट कि जो सरकार कहेगी वो इलेक्शन कमीशन करेगी? तो तभी तो शक पैदा होता है कि अगर यही काम कर रही है इलेक्शन कमीशन तो मशीन पे भी शक पैदा होता है।
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस आइवरी टावर में तो नहीं रहते हैं, रोज अखबार पढ़ते हैं। उन्होंने भी देखा होगा, वो भी कानून जानते हैं, वो भी सेक्शन 123 जानते हैं, वो ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट, वो भी मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जानते हैं, वो भी 153A जानते हैं, वो भी सेडिशन जानते हैं। So these statements are, according to me, so serious. Absolutely.
That's also likely to happen.
Yes, they can do anything. Today the government can do anything.
It's very
when
sad.
it comes to citizens, when it comes to critics, when it comes to even stand-up comedians, this government has very unusual yardsticks, and sadly the judiciary is unable to protect.
So यहाँ तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट कुछ करती ही नहीं है।
I think election commission should have intervened and should have changed the decision of return.
Absolutely.
It had a duty to do so.
No doubt about it.
One more classic example of very peculiar behavior on the part of election commission is now increase the vote share in certain constituencies of the elections that have taken place. Now that is again a matter of very serious concern for the nation. How it has happened that 5 to 6% vote share has gone up.
No explanation by the commission.
And in Tamil Nadu it has been brought down.
Correct.
So I think there is something very curious that's happening in this country which really raises very serious, I would say, citizens have a right. I don't agree with Supreme Court at all. We have a right to distrust constitutional institutions. That's my fundamental right. It is for them to prove that we are worthy of your trust. Correct. By their conduct.
Many of these institutions are really not worthy of trust.
And we have a right to attack them. I don't think the Supreme Court should remind us that we have no right to. I mean, I'm really disappointed. The institution that I love the most, Supreme Court, has said something like that.